So
Goats
these are
on
my
farm.
goats. As you know, banana and cocoa. What happened? Only just love me so. Eh? And that's vanilla and that's Oreo. No boy, you don't do that. We don't want none of that in my pen. None of that. That's your brother. You're mad? We don't work like that over here. You know? And then we have Oreo and we have vanilla. But what happened? What happened? Say hi. Huh? What happened? Huh? Yeah, you love climb up on me like me and your friend. Me and your friend? Yeah? And that's Oreo. Stop. Vanilla getting big. You know? Yeah. They don't stop. Yeah, so that's their hay feed right there. We feed them. Making nothing but a mess. So, you know, whole heap of goats. Yeah. And she need to clean out the pen now. The pen will look rocky again. So need to clean out. Bushman farm goats. I'm out.